Hello, welcome my friends to another educational video. I would like to thank you for Jakub Levko for this nice livery, which is based from Bratislava Airport, and it's Air Explorer livery. It's ETOPS approval airplane. Today it will be a quite short video, but we'll discuss about the door openings and which are the doors on the airplane and how to open it in the right way in order to not make a big mistake. I will start with a simple way. This one is aft compartment, this one is forward compartment doors, and they're always opening within the mechanical way. And here you can the forward and aft EE bay compartment doors, and that should be open as well within this way, and they have the outflow valve and just to properly pressurize the airplane. These are the overwing exit, and the overwing exit doors are slightly different from classics to NGs, because within the engines you are opening this door I'll put it maybe like this way. And you can open the doors. It's not modeled right over here on the PMDG, or it's modeled. Yes, it's modeled. Okay, it's fine. You can just press the handle, which is over here, and you can see the picture above, and the doors are opened within the hydraulics right over here. In 737, which are old style classics, 300, 500 and 400, the doors are just you just press the handle and pop up all the doors, and then you are ready to go via overwing exit, and let's say make an evacuation from the airplane or rapid disembarkation from the airplane. So in this case it was the explanation with the overwing exit doors, and it was the explanation with the aft compartment, forward compartment and EE bay. And remember this outflow valve and outflow valve, or let's say within 737 NGs are exhaust valve, and on 737 classics there are forward outflow valve in order to pressurize the airplane. But this is for another discussions. What are these two doors meaning? It means that this is the service doors, and they are a little bit smaller than the front doors, which are right over here. This is forward entry door, and this is aft entry door, and these doors are forward servicing door and aft servicing doors. These doors we are mainly using for the first point is to load the wheelchairs on the board, because they should be the first one on the board. Okay, so if we have the wheelchair on the board, that will come in the track, and the track will open the door, and maybe I can model it for you. Servicing forward and aft. Okay, so that means that within the forward servicing door we are usually putting the guys or the girls or whichever people has the problem with boarding the airplane. So we are putting the wheelchairs right over here. The second function of the forward servicing door is to put the catering right over here. Okay, but we usually make it like the aft servicing door, so we put the catering services within these doors, and these doors should open, and we can put the catering for the flight, and we are divided because if you are aware of the fact that we have basic anti-weight or basic operational mass, and basic operational mass is basically the airplane which is completely empty without the unnecessary fluid on board. That means hydraulics, fuel, and so on and so on. And dry operating mass is the mass of the airplane with flight crew on board. That means 2 pilots on board and 4 cabin crew members, as we are flying on 737-800, and as well we are dividing into the code, which is pantry code. It's called pantry code, and the pantry code shows us that okay, now we have catering for only one leg. So that means that if we are flying from Bratislava to, for example, Corfu, we have catering only to Corfu. But if we have pantry code which is Charlie full, it's C and F. That means that we have catering to whole flight. So that means to fly to Corfu and from Corfu back to the Bratislava airport. And now what we are going to do, you can see the doors right here. Okay, and maybe I will turn it the opposite way, but opposite way we have opened the doors. And what I would like to point out, there is the ceiling edge. It's a small let's say switch or knob which will stack the door position in open position, or let's say in closed position, because as we are opening the doors are opening with the 45 degrees in order to depressurize the airplane, and then you'll go out as you can see right over here. Okay, and what is the correct procedure? The correct procedure, no matter if you are opening the doors from outside, that the stairs are here, or you are opening the door from inside, so that means that the guy from handling agent will knock on the door, and the cabin crew will open the door. The proper way is the first to put this grid bar, which is not modeled here, but it's modeled on the picture as you can see above, and move it out. And once if the grid bar is moved out, you can press the sealing tape into the off cross position. Okay, I don't know why this model this one, but in real airplane it looks a little bit different. But anyway, this is the slide, and you can see the green color here. That means that it's okay, and in case of emergency you can rely that if you open the door, the in-flight, let's say the slide will in-flight. But if you don't have or let's say if you do not proper procedure performed, it means that you will open the slide and it costs approximately $10,000 to replace all this situation. So first of all, put the grid bar off from the bracket, okay, and then you will press the sealing tape into off position from this window, and now you are ready to open the door. If you want to close the door, the opposite sequence means that you close the door, okay, and after you close the door, you put the sealing tape and you lock the grid bar right over here, okay. And that means that in case of emergency and you open the door, in case of evacuation, the slide will inflate it. So that's the doors, and I hope it was clear and understandable for you. And basically that's it. So so that's the whole video. It was really short, and it was just for a purpose how the cabin crew are opening door and closing the door, because if you accidentally in flight the live slide, or let's say the slide, it can cause up to $10,000, and well, it's not a good situation for you. So once again, these are the forward doors, forward entry, aft entry. These are the forward servicing door, aft servicing door. These are the aft compartment door, which is opening manually. This is the forward compartment door, again manually, and right over here there are equipment bay doors, and it can be opened by the maintenance personnel, but not you. And these are the overwing exits, and as well on 737-800 it just it is hydraulic, so that means just that you press the button and it will automatically goes up. But with Boeing 737-400, 300 and 500 you need to just pull out the bracket and throw the window out, okay. So this is the basic operation of the flight door. I hope you liked this video so much, and see you next time soon. Bye bye.